Hey my lovelies, this is MUTULU and I trust that you and your family are well. Now my lovely, so today I'm going to be sharing with you a wonderful autumnal tonic. This tonic is going to assist you as we transition into the fall season. Now we're going to be working with the elder tree. Now the elder tree in its totality is a known cure-all plant. Now the flowers in particular address inflammation internally and externally, and the berries aid the eradication of mucus in its totality. So we're looking at removing inflammation, cholesterol from the lymphatic system, the lungs, the nasal passage, and it's also highly effective for coughs, sore throats, the respiratory system, flu, colds, and viral infections. The ingredients that I've chosen to combine together are intentionally designed to address all the things that I mentioned prior. Now the ingredients read elderflower, elderberries, star anise, not anise, star anise, cayenne pepper, also known as African bird pepper, and a bit of clove powder. And as you can see here, I'm adding the juice of 3 to 4 key limes. Now I would encourage you to sweeten this with wild honey preferably, but if you don't have that, work with some date syrup, or you could work with agave. But just know that wild honey and date syrup are the go-tos for this recipe due to their medicinal properties. I encourage you to take at least 1 cup a day, and this will assist you throughout the whole fall season as well as the winter season. Elderberries are also quite rich in iron, so therefore it will provide ample amounts of oxygen to flow through the body. You can drink this cold, you can drink it warm or hot. It's up to you, my lovely. I trust that this recipe will serve you and your household very well. Children can have this tea too. Now, if you have any leftover, all you need to do is just store it in your fridge. It can keep in your fridge for up to 8 days. Take care.